I welcome you to the lecture series on practical machine learning using Python. And today our topic is scatter plots. And in the continuation of the last lectures, I am actually discussing about multivariate analysis where we try to analyze the relation among different attributes. Okay, like that correlation matrix we have seen. And then we have gone through the skew function also to observe the skewness. Now this is scatter plot. This one is very, very important. Okay. So why we use scatter plot? Scatter plot shows how much one variable is affected by another or the relation between them with the help of dots in two dimensions. Repeating again, scatter plot shows how much one variable is affected by another or the relationship between them with the help of dots in two dimensions. Scatter plots are very much like line graphs in the concept that they use horizontal and vertical axes to plot data points. In the following example, Python script will generate and plot scatter matrix for the PIMA Indian dataset, that the same dataset we are using, and this will help you to understand the different terminologies in a better way. Okay, because we already know that what are the attributes of this dataset. So it can be generated using the function scatter underscore matrix. And from pandas, we are importing it. And we'll use to plot the scatter plot using pyplot or pyplot. Okay, so let's plot it. So for that, we are using two functions here, the scatter underscore matrix under bracket data and pyplot.show. So open your spider. So three more lines of statement I have inserted to our previous code. That is the first one, from pandas.plotting import scatter matrix. From pandas.plotting import scatter matrix. Why? Because two more lines, because this scatter matrix, I'm taking it from this one. Okay, so you write this one, from pandas.plotting import scatter matrix, and then scatter underscore matrix function, and para as a parameter I am passing this data, PIMA Indian dataset. Clear? So then py.plot.show to have a look on the scatter plot of this data. Well, then execute this one. So I have executed this line. It is imported. Now I am going to execute these two. In the console window, you will see that. So in the console window, you have seen this is the scatter plot. Okay. So this type of output you will see. And it's very helpful to understand this particular scatter plot. And that's it then. You analyze this diagram and tell me that whether you have got or whether you have got this scatter plot, or whether you successfully executed it or not. Okay, so I hope enough for today's class, and don't skip the practical, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.